Hi, I'm Adam and welcome back to the channel. Today we're staying at one of our favourite campsites, which is less than an hour from home. We're in Northumberland at the River Breamish Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Northumberland borders Scotland and is the northernmost county in England. Spectacular coastlines, castles, countryside and some hidden gems await. There's so much to see and do here. We've made two separate videos to show the area in all its stunning beauty. In part one of our visit, I'm going to take you on a tour of the campsite and the village of Powburn. Then we're off to the market town of Rothbury and then on to Cragside, which was the first house in the world to be powered by hydroelectricity. We'll also share some hidden gems along the way. Our journey begins in County Durham as we head north on a short drive to the River Breamish Caravan and Motorhome Club site, just outside the charming village of Powburn. As you enter Powburn from the south and cross the bridge, you'll spot an Esso garage on your right. Just after this, take a left turn down the road. Be sure to continue past the first entrance on your right. It may look like the campsite, but it's actually a council facility. Instead, keep going a little further until you see the official Caravan Club sign, then turn right into the site. Like all club sites, you'll need to stop at the entrance to check in. Once that's sorted, you can choose your preferred pitch. After setting up, just pop back to reception to confirm your pitch number. There's no barrier here, so you're free to come and go as you please. The River Breamish campsite offers 87 hard-standing touring pitches, including a mix of electric with or without awning, fully serviced pitches and 3 dedicated tent spots. The site is mostly level and incredibly peaceful, with only the sound of birdsong and the distant trickle of the River Breamish to accompany you. At the entrance you'll find a late night arrivals area, a central bin point, a small reception area stocking essential supplies and an information room packed full with useful local details. The facilities block is immaculately maintained and includes men's and women's toilets and showers, a dishwashing area and a laundry. Outside there's a drive-over motorhome service point, freshwater taps and chemical toilet disposal facilities. Additional water and disposal points are conveniently located around the site. There's no children's play park here, but just around the corner from the entrance there's a playing field for some open space fun. We opted for a serviced pitch near the entrance, set in a spacious loop. Each serviced pitch includes an electric hookup, fresh water, grey water drainage and an aerial socket. There's plenty of room for your caravan or motorhome, plus space for an awning and your vehicle. For our 4-night stay at the end of March 2025, we paid £131.04. For dog owners and walkers, this site is a fantastic base to explore. Take the nature walk that winds past ponds and woodland before reaching the scenic banks of the River Breamish, which runs alongside the campsite. This is one of the reasons why we like this campsite so much. You can take a walk from your van and go through the playing field and then all the way through the woods and then around the ponds. There's even a bird hike to have a look in, and then you can have a wander down here to the river. And this is the River Breamish, which runs all the way along the site, and it's a really, really nice little walk if you've got a dog or even if you just want to come and wander down by yourself. Right next to the site you'll find Branton Ponds, 2 large wildlife-rich ponds with circular walking trails perfect for an afternoon stroll or a peaceful dog walk. The campsite sits just outside of Powburn, a village with a rich history. Once a key stop for cattle drovers taking their herds to market, today it serves as a gateway to the stunning Cheviot Hills, an inviting spot for walkers, cyclists and nature lovers alike. In the village you'll find a well-stocked shop at the Esso garage, a large antique centre often featured on TV, and the newly opened Running Fox Cafe. During our visit we stopped by for Mother's Day and enjoyed a delicious selection of cakes and coffee. For those travelling with friends or family who don't have a caravan or motorhome, we rented a lovely cottage in the village, an ideal option for a cosy stay. I'll leave the details in the description below. The River Breamish Caravan and Motorhome Club site is a peaceful retreat, offering stunning surroundings, well-kept facilities and easy access to some of Northumberland's most beautiful landscapes. Whether you're here to explore the Cheviots, enjoy the wildlife or simply unwind, it's a perfect spot for a relaxing getaway. The next day we made the 12-mile journey to Rothbury, a picturesque market town nestled in the heart of Northumberland's Coachman Valley. Rothbury is the perfect place to explore, unwind and reconnect with nature. Dating back to Saxon times, Rothbury has long been a key settlement in Northumberland. In the 19th century it became a thriving hub for agriculture and milling, with its iconic stone buildings and charming streets still reflecting its past. Today it's best known as the gateway to the Northumberland National Park, offering breathtaking landscapes and endless outdoor adventures. With its independent shops, cosy cafes and friendly locals, Rothbury offers a warm welcome to all who visit. Stroll along the banks of the River Coquet and explore historic sites like the beautiful All Saints Church. We made a quick visit to Buick's Cafe located just off the main high street, the perfect spot for a light bite or coffee, and it's dog friendly. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventure or a peaceful countryside escape, Rothbury is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Make sure you come and discover the magic of Rothbury for yourself. Located just beyond the trees in the distance is our next destination, the magnificent National Trust Cragside House and Gardens. Welcome to Cragside, a true marvel of Victorian ingenuity nestled in the heart of Northumberland. Once the home of Lord William Armstrong, this grand country estate is famous for being the world's first house powered by hydroelectricity and is often considered to be Britain's original smart home. Surrounded by lush woodlands, serene lakes and rugged rock gardens, Cragside is a place where nature and innovation collide. Wander through the opulent rooms filled with intricate woodwork and cutting-edge 19th century technology, and learn all about the house and its history. The house's technical wonders were equally as impressive as its architecture, and made possible by William's experiments with hydroelectricity. These included a hydraulic lift, water-powered spit, and most brilliantly, electric light. Cragside was a home that dazzled all who visited and set the standard for modern living. To this day, Cragside uses a hydroelectric system. In 2014, the National Trust installed an Archimedes screw, which uses water from Tumbleton Lake. As water passes through the spiral blades, the screw turns and harnesses the energy of the falling water. The electricity produced lights the whole house, and any surplus goes to the national grid. Outside, explore over 1,000 acres of breathtaking landscapes, with winding pathways and one of Europe's largest rock gardens. There's also a visitor centre with cafe and shop. If you fancy an easier tour, why not experience Cragside by car on the circular 6-mile carriage drive around the grounds. You can pull into one of the car parks and explore more on a waymarked walk, or just sit back and enjoy the journey. If you want to experience the full carriage ride, I have included a link in the description. Whether you're fascinated by history, captivated by engineering, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, Cragside offers something for everyone and is extremely dog friendly, apart from inside the house itself. Step into a world of discovery and let the magic of this pioneering estate inspire you. After our visit to Cragside, we made the short journey to Edlingham Castle. Nestled in the rolling hills of Northumberland lies the striking ruin of Edlingham Castle, a hidden gem steeped in history and intrigue. Originally built as a manor house in the 12th century, Edlingham evolved over the centuries, transforming into a fortified stronghold to withstand the turbulent medieval conflicts that plagued northern England. The most impressive feature, the massive solar tower leaning ever so slightly, a testament to the passage of time and the resilience of medieval engineering. Today, Edlingham Castle stands as a picturesque ruin, a perfect spot for history lovers and adventurers alike. The castle is an English heritage site and is free to enter, with a small area for parking in the village. Just beyond the castle ruins, you can admire the striking Edlingham Railway Viaduct, now long disused. Take a walk across the viaduct and soak in the magnificent views of the surrounding landscape. Before heading back to the campsite, we made one last stop. Hidden deep within the rolling landscapes of Northumberland and tucked away in ancient woodland lies Routin Linn Waterfall. A short, steep walk along the river brings you to this enchanting cascade, which tumbles over rugged sandstone, creating a serene, almost mystical atmosphere. Definitely worth the steep walk down to the waterfall. It is a bit tricky, so if you're not very able on your feet or you haven't got very good shoes on, I wouldn't recommend it, but once you get down here it's definitely worthwhile. The waterfall's fantastic, and so is the surrounding stream and area. As you can see, Northumberland is stunning. I hope you've enjoyed part 1 of our visit. In part 2, we'll be visiting the stunning Northumberland coastline with a trip to Sea Houses, Craster, the market town of Alnwick, the incredible Ingram Valley, which is less than 10 minutes from the campsite, and we'll visit some hidden gems along the way. Please click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.